Hey YouTube, I'm over here at my other honey hole. I went to Walmart the other day to pick up my fishing license. I already have. And I bought me a new pole. Scouting the area. Fishing season is about to start. Open season is April 8th over here in New Jersey. I love this spot. It's a really good spot to fish. Trying to see if I can see anything jumping. You know, it's very important to keep looking, you know. You might find little new honey holes that you haven't seen from the previous year. So peaceful. It's such a beautiful day.